Hello, welcome to Victory Range Hoods. Today we'll be talking about our under cabinet range hood, the UC400. We'll do a quick unboxing and then we'll talk about all the things you need to know before you buy. This is the box that your range hood will come in when you receive it from our courier. When you receive your box, please inspect it for any damages. After that, you can cut the straps and open the box. When you receive your new range hood, the first thing you want to take out is all this styrofoam. You'll see this is all protective styrofoam. And there will be one up here at the top as well. And when we look underneath, there are your filters. This we will get to later. Put that aside. Now some other things you want to notice, there is this piece as well, which you'll have to lift the range hood to take out. This has your attachment for your duct, and then this will go around your blower. Now this we'll put aside for now as well. This range hood here is what's left to take out. And you can actually grab from underneath, and this whole range hood will come out of the box like so. And then these are of course protective. You can take that out. Just be careful when you're doing that. And this other one on the other side as well. You will notice inside there are some additional parts as well. So before we go any further, we are going to flip this up and we'll show you the inside. Once you've taken the bag off, you can just discard that, and this is your range hood here. Now, first thing you'll notice, there is no cover here, and this is actually one of the pieces here. This piece will go on there, and you will see there is a manual with some screws in there. And then you will also notice there is one more transition piece. This is your metal blower right in there. You can see that spins right there. You have your two lights and your push button switch right on top here. All right, so that's the inside of the range hood. Just to show you, this is your switch on the front, and you have this cable right on top, and this right here is where your range hood would attach. We will show you both of these next. Now this here is the back of your range hood. These are your holes for when you secure it to your cabinet, and these are the plates that need to be actually knocked out depending on what you're using. If you're using the rectangular, it's just going to be right there. So you just got to knock this plate out, and this gets installed right there with the screws that are provided. This is where you would install your back vent transition. You need to knock this plate out and install the transition on top. If you are going to be using the round, you actually have this plate and you have this round piece. Now, right here, you will put the plate. This plate actually has to secure right there. Both of these need to be knocked out. That's why we need this plate. And then this will go right over top like so. That's your round duct installation right there. Okay, so you need both of these pieces. This is a standard North American plug, and it's about 2 feet of wire. You can see this is the box with the filters. These filters, you can just rip this off. This is just protection, like that, like so. And you have 2 of them. Now again, you'll see there is protective tape right here, which you can actually just remove by peeling. And they will insert into the slots at the bottom. Like so. Quick thing to mention about the insides of this, you have a driver in here for your lights, which controls your lighting right there. And you have your blower, of course, your metal blower right there, which you would put the piece over top. So this piece right here would go right over top. I will show you where to put the protective cover. As I mentioned, the hood comes with a metal impeller, and it's very important to install the cover to protect your fingers. Please make sure you install this cover before operating the hood. Now this is an all-metal corrosion-resistant impeller. Your range hood is made of 22 gauge stainless steel and does not have a circuit board. It is very reliable with just one push-button switch. This hood, even though it is not the most powerful, is still suitable for gas ranges because it has a metal blower. If you have a gas stove, we recommend one of our professional series, Victory Verona or Victory Elite. This dimension here is about 13¼ inches. Once you get to this point here where it starts to taper off, and that's how big the standard cabinet will be. Lengthwise, the length of this range hood is about 29 1/2. The UC400 has 2 lights on the bottom. These are LED lights right in here, and you can actually turn them on just by pressing this one button right up top. The side of this range hood here is about 6 inches in height. Now as you go down, you'll see there is an angle, so it gets less and less and less and less and less and less, of course. So at this point, it's actually only 5 inches up top and 6 inches there. So you see there is a bit of a slope. So this part that's actually installed, you do need 6 inches of space in order to accommodate this range hood. There you'll see there is some blue protective tape which can just be peeled right off, just like so. And that's your stainless steel underneath. Hi, thank you for watching our video on the UC400. If you have any questions about this unit or any other range hood on our website, please give us a phone call or send us an email. Our sales team can help you place an order, or our technical team can help you with any technical questions that you have. If you want more information about this product specifically, check in our description, and please like this video and subscribe. Thank you.